Good morning, John. Ready to start planning for next year's taxes?
For sure. But this time, I want to make sure I pay in the right amount ahead of time.
Yeah, you owed quite a bit this year, didn't you?
Yeah, thanks a lot.
I advised you to increase your withholding.
Yeah, and I ignored you. Sue me.
Let's just make sure it doesn't happen again. Nothing would please me more.
Okay, first of all, I have a question.
Go for it.
Okay, a friend of mine doesn't even do withholding on his wages. He just pays quarterly estimates. Why would he do that?
So his paycheck is a little bigger.
So why wouldn't I do that?
Would you prefer to make 4 large payments or a bunch of smaller ones?
Wait, those are my only choices?
Pretty much. In the end, the same amount needs to get paid in ahead of time. Otherwise, penalties and interest will get added to your income tax bill.
I feel like a little at a time is the best way to go. Why would anyone not do that?
For the most part, self-employed folks and investors are the types of taxpayers who pay estimates.
Because they don't get wages?
Exactly. What are some pros and cons of the two methods?
I like pros and cons.
Well, a pro of withholding is that it is automatic and you don't need to worry about missing payment deadlines. A con might be that it does not take all of your sources of income into account and can therefore lead to underpayment at tax time.
Okay.
A pro of quarterly estimates is flexibility. You can pay whenever you want. A con is that you need to plan for it and make sure you have the money saved to pay it when the time comes.
Can I withhold from pension payments?
Absolutely. Many people do.
Can I do both? Withholding and quarterly estimates?
Of course. There are situations where both withholding and estimates are necessary. But if possible, simply increase your withholding.
Which is what you told me to do last year.
Exactly. How did you know I was gonna owe?
Software? Predictions? Math?
You are an accountant, after all.
Indeed I am.
And I suppose that means you have places to be?
Always. You?
Of course.